So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Rahul FX. So today we'll be going through the trade that I had taken in AUDJPY this previous week. I had taken only a single trade because I was having a lot of trouble in following the trend. My actual strategy was not working. So instead of just placing random trades, I decided to take a break for the week. So I will show you the trade that I had taken in AUDJPY, and also we will be going through the top 3 pairs that I will likely to be trading this next week. So yeah, so I will just show you which criteria you have to follow if you want to take the exact same trade as me. So let's jump into the lower time frame, 1 hour. So as you can see, I will show you the trade quickly. So as you can see in the screenshot, the trade had ended in a $9 loss. So it was a break-even trade. But if I had completed the trade, my account would it would have doubled. Like as you can see, this was the trade. So the basis of the trade, as you guys know, I will explain it one more time. So the market goes above, then it creates a new higher high, then below it creates a market structure shift. Then I take a trade in the detail. I take a trade here. So as you can see, same exact thing happened here. Market went above, then created a higher low, then it created a higher high, then it shifted market structure, breaking this lower time frame. As you can see in the 15-minute time frame, it had broken this in the 15-minute time frame. Then I had placed my entry in the next candle. But what happened is in a single 1 hour candle, the I had gotten 1:1. As you can see, 1:1 I had gotten. Like my rule was, whenever I take a trade in 1:2 or 1:3, I was targeting my exact target was here. So I was thinking that as the market will give me 1:1, I will just put my stop loss and break even. So that was the biggest mistake. As I put my stop loss break even, the next candle directly went and hit my stop loss, and as you can see, the market gave a solid move. Like if you can see, this trade was giving me 1:9. Like I was risking around $60. So I would easily passed my 6K account, 10K account, and the funded account. Each all the 3 account I would have passed if I just without I had not put my stop loss to break even. But whatever it is, as you can see, this was the second and third trade which I had not executed, but it was following my exact trade plan as I will show you in the 15-minute time frame. So if I jump onto the lower time frame, I will show you my first trade. So as you can see, this was the first movement, then this was the lower high, then it created a higher high, breaking the structure. Then what I do is wait for the higher low candle to close below that. So as the candle had closed below that, it closed below the previous low. My entry was supposed to be here, stop loss was supposed to be here. The mistake I am doing is I'm waiting too much or I'm jumping in too early. These are the two mistakes that I'm facing. So yes, I will try to learn from the mistakes. So as you can see, I was supposed to enter here, but what I didn't enter. I waited for the second retest. Then when the retest came, then I had entered in this trade. So as you can see, in the next candle only, I had gotten a 1:1. So I thought it was a chance of reversing also. As you can see, the market was sideways. So without taking a risk, I just put in my stop loss to break even. Then market went and directly touched my stop loss. So this was supposed to be it could have been a second entry also, because if you can see, this is forming a head and shoulder pattern. Usually head and shoulder means just break and retest, but for the simplicity of it, I call it a head and shoulder. As you can see, left, this is the left shoulder, this total movement is the head, this is the right shoulder, and this is the retest. So yes, this was supposed to be the first trade. As you can see, these were my targets. 1:1, so all got hit within 2, 3 or 4 hours. So instead of doing FOMO, we have to just move on. So next trade was supposed to be here, as you can see. So the basis of this trade was, if you go to the daily time frame, see, if you go to the daily time frame, it has so much potential to go to the downside. I will explain why. As you can see, if this was the means not recent, as you can see, this had gotten in 7. So 2024, 7/11. So if you call it a recent high, then this is the recent low. Then until and unless it breaks above this is a market structure in which it is bearish. So the downside movement is huge. So we don't know where until and when it stops. Until and when it breaks this high, the market is bearish. So if you go to the 15-minute time frame, as you can see, these were my profit targets. So I had marked all the profit targets in the black line. So, and as you can see, I am also planning. This is also my top pair for the next week because this pair is looking phenomenal for a sell trade. So as you can see, I will show you. I'll show you my next trades. So as you can, this trade was to the upside. First higher high, higher low, higher high, break of market structure shift, retest of the decline, second trade, third trade, exact same. This the strategy I trade. It is like no fair value gap. Sorry, no fair value gap, no order block, nothing. This trend line is just for the sake of it. Don't think I was trading trend lines and all that. So as you can see in my chart, I like no fair value gap, no order block, nothing. You'll never see me trading all because that is too much complicated for me. Like for some people it's good enough, but for me it's very complicated. So I just keep that. So yeah, this was the trades. So I missed it, no worry. So now I will explain you how it is going to be my top pair for the next week. So today's date is let's me check. Today's 8th December. So yes, as you can see, this is the total move. So it has a huge opportunity to go below. So now, as you can see, I had already written it down. 4 hours is also bearish, daily is also bearish, hourly is also bearish, and my strategy states that minimum two time frame should be aligned to take a trade of the sell. So now when the next daily candle opens, my target will be like this. As you can see, I'll go to the 1 hour time frame. So as you can see, first the market, this is my point of interest. So if you don't know how to mark a point of interest is basically a place where the market can or cannot reject. That is the simple explanation of a point of interest. So first market will create a higher high, then a higher low, then it will break above the previous high, then it will cause a market structure shift, then it will retest of the PUI, then I will take a sell trade. This is my top pair for the next week. I have more two pairs. Below this week, I will be focusing on 2 to 3 pairs. This is my main priority. If anyone wants to take this trade, this will be a very good opportunity to take a trade. But you have to be patient because if the market starts coming down from here, then this point of interest will not be valid anymore. Then I will find a new point of interest nearest to this level. Okay, I'm just predicting the market that if the market goes above here, then this is a valid point of interest. But if the next, like from tomorrow, the candle just starts going down, then this point of interest is not valid anymore. Okay, so the main basis is wait for market structure and retest of the POI to take a entry, and make sure to calculate the lot size. So if you don't know how to calculate the lot size, you can comment down below. I will bring a shorts video. I have not made a shorts video now how to calculate a lot size, but I will make it in like 30-40 seconds. You can like not even 30-40 seconds, in like 10 seconds you can calculate the lots. So this is my number one pair. So number two, I have marked it. As you can see, I will suggest you to do the same also. Like you can like create a watch list like AUD, GBP, Euro, CHF. So all this like I have like there is no clear market structure in any of these pairs. So the next clear market structure is in GBPUSD. So as you can see, GBPUSD, I'm planning for a buy trade. So yeah, the recent point of me buying will be this zone. So for the buying area, it is supposed to be lower high, then it creates a lower low. Then I take a retest, then I buy. So this is the same. Whatever you are trading in the sell side, it is exactly the same, but it's opposite. So this is the recent POI in which I am interested in trading. So this, as you can see, there is a clear market structure in daily time frame. As you can see, clean market structure. Other pairs, as you can see, the all are sideways, but this is a clear market structure to go above. As you can see, I have marked the POI, and you have to think in two ways. So this is me just predicting the market, but what happens if the market just moves above without coming here? Then I will find a different point of interest to take a trade, and make sure, if you are like, I have seen some people taking 3, 4, 5, 7 trades a day, and like they are making profit also, and in the beginner phase. But see, if you are trying to do this for long term, like 7, 8, 10, 20 years, like how can you take 7, 8 trades a day, or even 2, 3 trades a day? So try to limit your trades to like 3 to 4 a week, or even hardly, like many of the weeks I've taken 1 or 2 trades a week. So yes, this is my second pair, and the third pair is GBPJPY. So as you can see, the market structure in daily time frame is looking quite nice. So I will not show you the lower time frame how it is in the other two pairs, because like I'm trying to build a strategy of my own. So yeah, let's see. As you can see, the clear market structure is showing. So I have calculated the both opportunities in the downside also, in the upside also. Now it will depend everything on the market structure, how it behaves. So yes. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye bye. Take care.